my YouTube channel. It's me, Jashri, and happy Sunday. So this video is about all the books that I've bought in 2021. I know there are not a lot of books in my book collection, but I'm so excited to show where it started, because you all know that I've started my reading journey, and I've told all about the books that I'm going to read in another video, which I'll link down here or here. Anyways, let's get started. Let me show you all the books. It's not much. It's just, you can see, yeah. Okay, let's get started. So I went crazy purchasing these books as I was so excited to start my reading journey this year. Let's not waste any more minutes and start. So first book is The Intelligent Investor. As you all know, I've been wanting to start investing since so long, and this is the time when I actually have money, because I have an internship, so I can actually spend my money. So I purchased, this was just a random purchase, and I'll link down the Amazon links in my description, as all these books I got are from Amazon or Flipkart. Yeah. Okay, so this is The Intelligent Investor. I have not read it completely, although I think it's interesting. It's not a very boring book. It might look like one, but trust me, it's not. Yeah. Okay, next book. Oh my god, this one is my favorite. It's A Thousand Splendid Suns. It's an amazing book, guys. I mean, I read it 2 weeks back on a Sunday. Yeah, whole day I just read this book. It was a very nice Sunday, and I was about to tell you. I think I've told you all about, on my Instagram so many times, that this is amazing. I mean, if you're starting a reading journey and you have not read this book, please read it. You will know, get to know about a totally different life. This book is beautiful. It's kind of sad, but worth a read. So yeah, next book is another self-help book, Think and Grow Rich. I have yet not read this book. I mean, I bought this like 2-3 months back, and I am still on. I think I read it somewhere around here, as I'm highlighting those important lines. But it's amazing. Like, it's amazing. I have seen a lot of bad comments about this book, and I don't know why. I mean, it's nice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now this is the rudest book ever. This is not bought in 2021, but I have added it to my book collection. And the worst part is that I have not read this book. I mean, okay, I'm going somewhere with this video. Please don't hate me that you are just showing books you haven't read. I have read books, but not this one, because I love Shraddha's video. Like, there was a phase in my life when I was kind of depressed, and I used to watch him a lot. If you don't know Shraddha, he is the writer of this book, previously known as Mansutra. Amazing. So yeah, I used to watch him a lot during a phase in my life, but now I'm kind of a self-motivated person, so I don't watch motivation content anymore. But nevertheless, he is an amazing YouTuber. If you are kind of depressed or you need motivation, just watch him. I mean, awesome. So yeah, this one. And I lent it to a friend. Okay, I won't call that person a friend, but I don't know, that relationship I cannot define, but definitely not a friend. So she was also a Mansutra fan, so she read this one, and I have read some chapters, and it was the same content as videos, but I enjoy watching videos more, because he's the one who is telling all that, and that has another level of impact. So I think, if you might be knowing, Mansutra is quite popular. Okay, let's focus on the topic. So after I read A Thousand Splendid Suns, I became a great fan of Khalid. I like really enjoyed. I really loved his writing. I mean, it was beautiful, and I wanted to know more about Afghanistan and what are the hardships in life. So I ended up purchasing both of them. I know you might have guessed until now. I'll show you one by one. So the first one is The Kite Runner. I mean, this was the actual book which made the writer like famous. This was like highly popular, and I've read like 2-3 pages. I mean, last Sunday I planned to read a book, but then there was no weekend for me. I had to work on Sunday and Saturday too, on my internship. So that's why I read 2-3 pages, and there was one line in, I think, beginning of the chapters. It made my heart like so could like my heart stop. I mean, it's amazing. I'm so excited to read it and kind of scared too, because I know these books are sad and I remain sad for a long time when I'm into a book. So yeah, let's move on. Oh yeah. Okay, next one is the And the Mountains Echoed. This is the trio, like three books. Those three are like different stories, but Khalid's writing is amazing. As I told you, like even in one book, I became his fan. So obviously, this was a must buy. So I bought it anyways. And this book by Virginia Woolf, I mean, I read it. This is also not bought in 2021. Two, three books are like before 2021, but yeah, I mean, they would feel alone if I would ignore those books. Anyways, let's get back. So, I mean, this book is beyond my intelligence, or I can say beyond my brain. There was a time when I started reading this book, and I was on a train, I remember, and I did not even understood like a page. It was like, what? I mean, it was like it was Spanish for me. I mean, this book is in English, but I thought it's a room of one's own, so it might be about a room. I was dumb back then, but anyways, so I think someday I'll grow up, I'll become a mature, smart person. So I think I will read this until this is on a break until then. Okay. Obviously, this is a pretty simple book. Nikita Singh, The Promise. It's a sweet book. It's like a rom-com movie. Some sad, some happy parts. Like a one-time read, nice book. I read it in like 1 or 2 hours. I remember I just bought the book. It came and I read over. But this is so pretty. I mean, look at the yellow. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful book. I'm so excited to make my own book collection. I mean, I'm really, really excited. I'll share it to you guys by the next end of 2021. And I think obviously I want to read those books. So yeah. Oh, and also, oh my God, this one. This is the first online purchase. Like the first item that I purchased online. There was a time when online shopping was not this common. Uh, Not everyone ordered everything online. Like now, I don't even go to the shops. Like it's too much work. I have to get ready, and like I'm lazy, I just order stuff. But there was a time when stores mattered, and there was a time when we used to buy from stores. So there was a like that time I was in standard 11, so it's not very very long, but it's a pretty long time. It's my teenage, my beautiful beautiful teenage. So at that time I ordered this book, and it was my first purchase. And one of my friends had told me that it's a amazing book, you should read it. And the best part is the character, which is the main character of this girl, the girl of this book, her birthday is also on 22nd Feb, and my birthday is also 22nd Feb. So I became very very happy when I shared a birthday with any of the characters in the book. It feels special. So I read this book and I cried for 1 week. I mean, it was my first online purchase, and yeah, that's a part. But I love this book. This was so brilliant. I think at that time I wanted a movie out of this book. It's real life. The best part is that this book is not just a book. It's real. Like the writer has poured his heart in this book. Obviously I too had a love story. It's amazing, guys. That was the time when I romanticized Bollywood and rom-com, and I just grew up watching too much rom-com, guys. I just love, love. Yeah. Okay, that's not the topic of this book. So yeah, these were the books. Oh, sorry for my voice. These were the books that I purchased this year, and I'm looking forward to read these two. And yeah, I think I have missed some books. Okay, anyways, so yeah, that was in this video. If you enjoyed my video or enjoyed my look, I mean, I did a pretty good job at my makeup. I mean, I suck at makeup, but look at me, so pretty. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. I have only 19 subscribers, so you might be the lucky one. You might be the 20th